Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we explore the stories hidden in the coins that pass through our hands. Today we dive deep into the fascinating world of the 2005 10-cent euro coin, a small but significant piece of European history that has a story stretching across centuries of economic change, political unity, and cultural heritage. This coin is not just a medium of exchange, it is a symbol of European integration and a testament to how currency can unify diverse nations under one shared identity. To understand the full story of the 10-cent euro coin, we must begin far before the euro was even conceived, going back centuries to the days when Europe was divided by borders, languages, and currencies. Every nation in Europe once had its own coinage, and currency systems ranging from the French franc to the Italian lira, the Deutsche Mark, to the Spanish peseta. Each currency told a story of a people, and a government. Each carried its own unique designs, history, and national pride. But as the 20th century progressed, and especially after the devastation of World War II, there emerged a vision of a united Europe, a continent that could prosper together through economic cooperation and political peace. In the aftermath of war, the seeds of the European Union were planted, starting with the European Coal and Steel Community in 1951, and then the Treaty of Rome in 1957, which established the European Economic Community. Slowly and steadily, Europe moved toward economic unity, and one of the greatest milestones in this journey was the creation of a common currency known as the euro. The euro was introduced in non-physical form in 1999 as an accounting currency used in electronic transactions and financial markets, but it became a tangible reality for citizens of the Eurozone in 2002. When euro banknotes and coins were introduced into circulation, the 10-cent coin is one of the 8 denominations of euro coins, and it plays a vital role in everyday commerce. Within the Eurozone, the euro itself is used by 19 of the 27 European Union countries, and the coins, including the 10 cent, are recognized and accepted across all of them. Although each country produces its own euro coins with national designs on one side, all coins share a common European side designed to represent unity among the member states. Now let us focus specifically on the 10-cent coin and its journey into production and design. The 10-cent coin is made of a special alloy known as Nordic gold, which, despite its name, contains no actual gold. It is a copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin alloy that offers durability, resistance to tarnish, and a distinctive golden color. After years of use, the common reverse side of the coin was designed by Luc Luix, a designer at the Royal Belgian Mint. His design features a map of Europe showing the European Union as a united entity, along with the denomination and 12 stars representing the ideals of unity, solidarity, and harmony among the peoples of Europe. The obverse side of the 10-cent coin differs depending on the country of issue, as each member state has the liberty to design this side to reflect its national identity. For example, the German version features the Brandenburg Gate, symbolizing the unification of East and West Germany. The Italian version displays the image of the Birth of Venus by Sandro Botticelli, representing Italy's cultural legacy. The French 10-cent coin features a graceful sower, symbolizing growth and progress. Each of these designs was submitted for approval by the European Commission and the European Central Bank to ensure that they met the standards of the euro system. The year 2005 was the 4th year that euro coins were in full circulation, and by then billions of coins had already been produced by various national mints. The production of 10-cent coins in 2005 was widespread, as all Eurozone countries continued to mint coins to meet the demands of commerce and coin collection. This particular year did not see any major redesigns of the common side, but several nations introduced new mint marks or slight modifications to their national sides. Collectors often seek 2005 10-cent coins from each country to complete their year sets, and some mints, such as those of smaller nations like Luxembourg, San Marino, or Vatican City, had limited mintages, making their 2005 issues more valuable to numismatists. The 10-cent coin plays a unique role in Eurozone commerce. It is not as small as the 1 or 2 cent coins, which are often criticized for their impracticality, nor is it as large as the 50 cent or €1 coin, which are often reserved for higher value transactions. The 10-cent coin sits in a sweet spot where it is used frequently in vending machines, parking meters, retail stores, and restaurants. Its size, weight, and material make it ideal for coin-operated machines. And it is a common sight in any European wallet. It is also the denomination most often handed out as change, making it a coin that moves through countless hands each day and contributes significantly to the daily functioning of the European economy. Beyond commerce, the 10-cent coin also carries symbolic weight as part of a larger project of European unity. It is one of the most visible tools of integration, allowing citizens to travel, shop, and do business across borders without having to exchange currency. Its presence in dozens of countries reinforces the idea of Europe as a single economic entity with shared values and mutual interests. Even in times of economic strain or political disagreement, the euro coinage remains a stable and enduring representation of cooperation. Looking deeper into the minting process, we find that each 10-cent coin goes through rigorous stages of design, engraving, die creation, blank preparation, striking, inspection, and distribution. Coins are struck using high-pressure presses that imprint the design onto pre-cut blanks of Nordic gold. And each coin must meet strict standards in terms of weight, diameter, thickness, and design accuracy. The mints of each country maintain high levels of quality control, and some use laser technology and automated systems to ensure uniformity. The edges of the 10-cent coin are smooth with fine ridges called a scalloped edge, which makes the coin easily identifiable by touch, a crucial feature for visually impaired individuals. In the year 2005, certain mints experimented with die modifications to improve strike quality and coin longevity, while others issued special mint sets and proof coins aimed at collectors. These proof coins are struck multiple times with specially polished dies and handled with gloves to prevent damage. They are typically sold in presentation cases and are never meant for circulation. Their purpose is to showcase the artistry and craftsmanship of the coin and preserve them in pristine condition for future generations. The collecting community around euro coins is vast and diverse, spanning from amateur hobbyists to professional numismatists. The 10-cent coins of 2005 are particularly popular among collectors due to the variety of national designs and the relative ease of acquiring them. Collectors often seek full sets from each country, and some focus on errors, varieties, and mint marks, which can add significant value. For example, some 2005 coins have been discovered with doubling misstrikes or off-center strikes, making them rare and sought after in the secondary market. As we examine the broader cultural impact of the euro, we see how coins like the 10-cent serve as educational tools and symbols of identity. They appear in school curricula, in museum exhibits, and in public discourse about European integration. The 10-cent coin is also a canvas for artistic expression, allowing each nation to present a part of its heritage to the rest of the continent and the world. This coin has featured monuments, artists, thinkers, and ideals. Monuments, artists, thinkers, and ideals, each carefully chosen to reflect the soul of the nation that minted it. In conclusion, the 2005 10-cent euro coin is more than a small piece of metal. It is a storybook, a historical record, a product of engineering and design, and a living piece of European unity. Its value goes far beyond its monetary denomination, and its journey from mint to market mirrors the evolution of the European project itself, from its early dreams of peace and cooperation to its present-day reality as a powerful economic bloc. Through this coin, we can trace the legacy of the past and the hopes for the future, and by holding it in our hands, we hold a piece of the continent's ongoing story. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into the world of the 10-cent euro coin of 2005. If you found this story, coin of 2005, if you found this story fascinating, make sure to like this video, share it with fellow coin lovers, and subscribe for more detailed explorations into the coins that shape our world.